Students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on combinations. Now concept is selection of decimal things. Now your first one, if NCR denotes the number of combinations of n things taken R at a time, then the expression NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 NCR equal to. Now here we know that NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR. Now one of the important results in combination, NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR. Just example, NC4 plus NC3. Now here NC4 plus NC3. Now according to this formula, NCR minus 1, 4 minus 1. Now here this can be right n plus 1 C4, n plus 1 C4. Now NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to n plus 1 CR. Now here given expression NCR plus 1 NCR plus 1 plus NCR minus 1 plus 2 NCR. 2 NCR can be right NCR plus NCR. NCR plus NCR value 2 NCR. Now here write down NCR minus 1 plus NCR plus NCR plus 1 plus NCR. NCR plus 1 plus NCR. Now here apply formula NCR minus 1 plus NCR is equal to N plus 1 CR plus, and here also NCR plus 1 NCR. Here difference is 1. Now N plus 1 CR plus 1. Now again apply formula N plus 1 CR, N plus 1 CR plus 1. Now NCR plus NCR minus 1, N plus 1 CR. Now here N plus 1 plus 1. Now N plus 1 plus 1. C, here big value is R plus 1. Now plus N plus 1 plus 1 CR plus 1 is equal to N plus 2 CR plus 1. N plus 2 CR plus 1. Therefore, final value of given expression N plus 2 CR plus 1. Option 2 is the correct one. Next one. At an election, a voter may vote for any number of candidates not greater than the number to be elected. There are 10 candidates and 4 are to be elected. Now, if a voter votes for at least one candidate, then the number of ways n which he can vote is. Now, there are 10 candidates, 4 are to be elected. Now, voter votes at least one candidate. At least one candidate means, at least one means 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Now here 4 are to be elected. Now total number of ways is equal to, total number of ways is equal to 10C1 plus 10C2 plus 10C3 plus 10C4. Now 10C1 value is 10. NC1 is equal to N. Now 10C2. 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. Now 45. 10C3. 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. Now 120. Now 10C4. Now 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now 210. Now 10 plus 45 plus 120 plus 210. Now is equal to 385. Therefore, option 2 is the correct one. Next one, from 6 different novels and 3 different dictionaries. 4 novels and 1 dictionary are to be selected and arranged in a row on shelf. Show that the dictionary is always in the middle. The number of such arrangements is. Now here 4 novels and 1 dictionary are to be selected and arranged in a row. Now total 5 items. Now you take 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now dictionary, according to given condition, dictionary is always in the middle. Dictionary is always in the middle. Now required number of selections, required number of selections is equal to. Now here 4 novels select from out of 6 different novels. Now 6C4. Now 6C4 into. Now here 1 dictionary select from out of 3 different dictionaries. 3C1 into. Now here dictionary is fixed. Now according to given condition, dictionary is always in the middle. Means now dictionary is the fixed in middle place. Now here remaining 4 places is there. Remaining 4 novels can be arranged in 4 places. 4 is equal to 4 factorial ways. Therefore, required number of selections is equal to 15 into 64 value 15 into 3 into 24. 4 factorial value 24 is equal to 1080. Therefore, at least 1000 is the correct one. Option 3 is the correct one.